Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Everything in It. Today we are going to discuss about the differences between procedure-oriented and object-oriented programming languages. In our previous video, we learned what is an object-oriented programming language and what is a procedure-oriented programming language. And today we are going to learn about the differences between these two. So, first we start with the definition. Procedure-oriented programming language makes use of a step-by-step approach for breaking down a program, while object-oriented programming uses objects and classes for creating models based on the real-world environment. The security. Procedural programming does not offer any method of hiding data, while hiding data is possible with object-oriented programming due to abstraction. The method. The main program gets divided into minute parts on the basis of the functions in procedure-oriented programming language, while object-oriented programming involves the concept of classes and objects. The division of program. Procedural programming divides a program into small programs and refers to them as functions, while object-oriented programming divides the program into small parts and refers to them as objects. The movement of data. Available data in procedure-oriented programming is capable of moving freely within the system from one function to another, while objects in object-oriented programming language are capable of moving and communicating with each other through the member functions. The approach. Procedural programming follows a top-down approach, while object-oriented programming follows a bottom-up approach. The importance. The procedure-oriented programming model does not give importance to data. It prioritizes functions along with the sequence of actions that it needs to follow, while the programming model in object-oriented programming gives importance to data rather than functions or procedures. It is because it works on the basis of the real world. The orientation. The procedure-oriented programming language is structured or procedure-oriented, while object-oriented programming language is object-oriented. The basis. The main focus in procedural programming is on how to do the task, meaning on the structure or procedure of the program, while the main focus in object-oriented programming is on data security. The type of division. Procedural programming divides any large program into small units called functions, while object-oriented programming divides the entire program into small units called objects. Procedural programming does not provide any inheritance, while object-oriented programming achieves inheritance in three modes: protected, private, and public. There is no concept of virtual classes in procedural programming, while there is a concept of virtual functions, which appears at the time of inheritance in object-oriented programming. Overloading. The case of overloading isn't possible in the case of procedural programming, while overloading is possible in object-oriented programming. The reusability of code. No feature of reusing codes is present in procedural programming, while object-oriented programming offers the feature to reuse any existing codes in it by utilizing a feature known as inheritance. The most important attribute. It prioritizes functions over data in procedural programming, while object-oriented programming prioritizes data over functions. The procedural programming offers no specific accessing mode, while the object-oriented programming offers three accessing modes: protected, private, and public. The size of problems. It is not suitable for solving any big or complex problems in procedural programming, while it is suitable for solving any big or complex programs in object-oriented programming. It is not easy to add new functions and data in procedural programming, while it is very easy to add functions and data in the object-oriented programming. In procedural programming, most of the functions use global data for sharing, while object-oriented programming, the present data cannot easily move from one function to another. One can keep it private or even public. Data sharing. Procedural programming shares the global data among the functions present in a program, while object-oriented shares data among the object's trace member functions. There is no proper way of hiding data in procedural programming, while we can hide data in three modes in object-oriented programming: protected, private, and public. The basis of world. The procedural programming follows an unreal world, while the object-oriented programming follows the real world. Procedural programming does not involve any concept of friend function, while object-oriented programming involves the concept of friend function. What are some of the examples of object-oriented and procedure-oriented programming language? Some common examples of procedural programming are C, Fortran, VB, and Pascal, while examples of object-oriented programming languages are Java, C++, VB.NET, Python, and C#.NET. So, we have now learned about the differences between procedure-oriented and object-oriented programming languages. I hope you enjoyed the video, and so don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any of our interesting and educational videos. In our upcoming videos, we'll start with the Java programming language, which is a very important topic in many syllabuses across India and other countries. So, thank you for watching our video.